Good morning everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to be replacing the engine air filter in a Mazda CX-5. This works for plenty of other Mazdas as well. This is the very common 2.5 liter engine, non-turbo. I'm sure this is going to be very similar on the turbo models as well. This filter is going to be linked down below in the description, so feel free to use that. It also helps the channel. With that, super easy. Pop your hood open. It's on the bottom left under the steering wheel if you don't know. And when you're looking at the engine, you're going to see on this driver's side, this little box, and you're going to see two latches. Just push down. Once you unfasten these clips, you're going to have these three flat slides there. There's 1, 2, and 3. Here you have the airflow sensor. You don't need to unclip this, but you can if you'd like. So you're going to see how simple it is. Obviously I have one hand here. You're just going to slide it towards the headlights, so towards this way. Just kind of wiggle it. There are these flat latches on the back, and it's just going to slide forward and just make sure all three are out. You're going to see that back one's still kind of there, and then it just slides out really easy. So obviously I'm using one hand here, but I can very easily pull that out. So let me show you with two hands. You're going to slide this forward, just lift it up, pull the air filter out. It's a pretty universal shape, rectangle. It's a little dirty. This is about 16,000 miles, but not too bad. It is dusty. We have driven this in the desert. And then you're going to see the replacement filter. Again, I'm going to link these down below. Perfectly suitable quality. Save yourself 80 bucks or whatever they're charging nowadays. This is like $15-20 at most. I'm going to compare the two here. Older one is on the left, newer one is on the right. Almost look the same. This one's not that dirty at all, but the bottom, you can see the difference there. So we're going to get this one out of the way. We're going to put this back in. Again, just lift up. It can go either way. Good time to look in, see if it's dirty. This is pretty clean, and you're just going to slide it in like that. Nestles in very easily. Let me kind of show y'all. All right, so I'm going to show y'all where those three latches are. You're going to see 1, 2, and then the third one there. So make sure this cable is over that latch. You see it likes to tuck itself under there. I'm just going to reach in and just pull it above there. Just make sure it's resting on top. That easy, resting nice and easy. And what I like to do is push down on the airbox, and you're going to pull these two latches. You're just going to pull them up. They're going to fasten right in. You can see the latch fasten nice and easy. Airbox is secure, and it's really that simple, y'all. Hope this video helped. Save yourself $80 from the Mazda dealership. This is the main reason I started making YouTube videos, is because how easy this is and how much they upcharge you on these items. So again, down below you're going to find these filters. With that, make sure to check out my other Mazda videos. Have a great day, have a great evening. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone around the world. Talk soon. Peace.